I'm sure you've heard the news. Yard farming is the hottest trend. Let's boost your game in just 60 seconds. First, start with composting. Your kitchen scraps are gold. Turn them into nutrient-rich soil. Next, think vertical. Use trellises or wall planters to maximize space. Got a shady spot? Plant leafy greens like spinach or kale. They thrive without much sunlight. Speaking of sunlight, rotate your plants. It keeps the soil healthy and pests away. Don't forget mulch. It retains moisture and suppresses weeds. Water smartly. Early morning or late afternoon is best to avoid evaporation. Finally, invite the bees. Plant flowers like lavender or sunflowers to attract pollinators. They boost your crop yields. So, there you go. Compost, go vertical, plant smart, mulch, water wisely, and welcome the bees. Your yard farming game just got a whole lot stronger. Happy farming!